Situated in Stratford, there is an up-to-date, scientifically controlled plant of the Stretford and District Gas Board, a wonderful plant that completely transforms coal into gas. Gas being, by the way, coal with the dirt removed. The coal is here seen being picked up by this huge grab at the end of its journey from the collieries. The grab, which holds many tons of coal, elevates it into the retort house, where this machine thrusts it into the retorts, which are maintained at a high temperature in order to separate the gas from the coal. Gas is used extensively by industry, and 30% of the gas sold by the Stretford and District Gas Board is used by manufacturers for the melting of metals, oil heating, preparation of foodstuffs, and numerous other uses. With few exceptions, gas is installed in all recently constructed houses in Stratford, and these splendid cookers are easily obtainable on hire purchase terms for every housewife. The installation of gas fires turns a house into a home, and all types, sizes and colors of gas fires can be viewed and examined on the board showrooms. The new town hall at Stratford will make the borough justly proud, for it is unquestionably one of the finest and most modern civic buildings in this country. Let us for a moment examine briefly two of the up-to-date sections of the boiler plant, heated by gas to supply the building with heat. Also, this new type of gas cooking equipment, which is extremely efficient. What more can one want to augment the birth of a borough than a new housing estate such as this one? It is the Davy Hume Road estate that is developing under the expert hands of Messrs. McClellan and Abel. Marvelous properties, thoroughly guaranteed and situated in ideal circumstances, being rapidly accessible from the city. Just a glimpse inside this drawing room will satisfy the most discriminate taste. And in the kitchen, the housewife has every modern convenience at her disposal. This is a special smoke gland that keeps your walls clean from flue smoke. No wonder that everybody is so happy on the estate, for the wonderful surroundings makes everybody contented, even the men who build it. So pay a visit to McClellan and Abel and let them assist you in choosing your home. The old established business of T.R. Royal & Son deserves special notice in Stratford. You can be assured of being satisfied in your shopping activities by dealing with them. In the grocery section, there is a large assortment for you to choose from of all foodstuffs, canned goods, etc., with a smart service and a willing staff. Messrs. Royal are expert pastry cooks. And this machine is mixing dough before passing it to this pastry cook, who with skilled hands manipulates the pastry before it goes into the oven. Here we see a batch of splendid pastries being taken from the oven, and in a short while some lucky customers will be enjoying them. Messrs. T.R. Royal are also bakers of great repute, and for your bread you cannot do better than come to Royal's. You will be thoroughly satisfied. The establishment of John Lyon's mineral water manufacturers is one of Stratford's most interesting industries. The first stage is the syrup stage, where fresh fruit juices are prepared for bottling. An elaborate system for the cleansing of bottles which are to receive the luscious mineral water is installed. Each bottle is absolutely hygienically washed and cleaned by nimble hands and accurate machinery. Finally, the mineral water is bottled automatically by pressure. It is then crown corked in one of the most ingenious machines ever devised, afterwards being labeled and packed ready for dispatch. So try one of John Lyon's famous snowdrop mineral waters. It will repay you. One of the most important industries in the new borough is that of Christie's Patent Stone Company, who manufacture stone moldings for all classes of modern buildings. The first process is that of mixing, and these huge rollers grind the mixture to a fineness that is required for the Christie patent stone process, in order to ensure that the finished stone is flawless. Craftsmen then prepare the stone on these boards. They are molding. It takes many years of experience to be able to do this work. Finally, the stone is sprayed and allowed to dry. This shows two of the experts molding a cornice for the civic building. Whatever you require in stone, remember the Christie Patent Stone Company. Manchester and District Collieries supply some of the finest coal obtainable in Lancashire, and this scene portrays the arrival to the surface of the coal-laden cages, which discharge their cargoes of coal by means of this huge conveyor system, which in turn passes the coal into the screen room, a most important stage in the preparation of your coal. For here it is sorted and graded, and the most elaborate care taken to ensure that every batch of coal is perfectly uniform and standard in quality. Before passing out to the train, which will soon convey it on to the Manchester and District Colliery various depots, where from these huge bunkers holding many tons of the finest coal that will give you warmth and comfort, it is automatically loaded into one of the Manchester and District Colliery's fast motor vans for delivery to your door. This splendid building is the home of Johnson, Clapham and Morris, who are dealers in all classes of hardware. They have one of the finest business organizations in the borough. Their warehouse is stocked from top to bottom with every type of hardware goods for the public, garden and agricultural implements, domestic, etc. Jason have a most comprehensive stock. The staff of Messrs. Johnson, Clapham and Morris are efficient and highly trained. They are also very happy, for there is a splendid canteen, in addition to which the House of Jason organizes many social activities.